Good morning, friends. Today is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. It is 2/24/2021, and it is day 95. And this is Lorraine Hansberry. Lorraine Hansberry was a playwright and a writer. She was the first African-American female author to have a play performed on Broadway in New York City. Her best-known work, the play A Raisin in the Sun, highlights the lives of Black Americans living under racial segregation in Chicago. And this little one here next to her, again, is part of the organization Because of Them, We Can. Please stand to salute our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please join me in reciting the Aborn School Pledge. I respect myself. I respect others. I respect my learning environment. I am ready to learn. Please be seated for the morning announcements. It is Wondering Wednesday, so hop on over to Schoology to answer today's poll. Mrs. Kenny will be subbing in room 3 today, so there will be no music classes with Mrs. Kenny. And progress reports for trimester 2 are going out today as password protective PDFs in an email to your parents and guardians. The password is your unique student ID number, just the 6 digits. Today we have Egypt Ife Ufale, who is a 10-year-old clothing designer and anti-bullying activist. Let's see what she has to say.
10-year-old empowers other bullied kids with an all-size clothing line. Egypt Ife Ufale endured bullying at school due to her weight, but instead of letting it get her down, she decided to fight back with fashion. The 5th grader from Queens, New York, who admits one time a student even stabbed her with a pencil, just sent her line of all sizes clothing down the runway at New York Fashion Week.
I turned from negative attention into positive attention.
Ife's mission is to dress all shapes and sizes, while, quote, bringing Africa to America, one design at a time. With its flowing styles, vibrant colors, and African patterns, Ife's chubby line does exactly that. On her Instagram page, Bully Chasers, Ife says her biggest goal is to empower other kids. Ife's the only child designer showcasing curvy models at Fashion Week. Not only that, she's one of the only designers of any age to use plus-size models out of the nearly 150 New York Fashion Week shows. Ife's had a passion for fashion her whole life and started making clothes for her dolls as a young girl. She started when she was 3, sitting and watching me sew. Ife's grandma Nellie Rembert recalls to the Today Show, "That was interesting because the average child want to watch television. When other kids are out playing, she's either cutting patterns or she's creating new ideas," Ife's mom, Dr. Reba Perry, told New York One. Share to help spread Ife's uplifting message.
So, like Ife does, put love out into the world. Don't let bullies get you down. Be a bully chaser. And don't forget, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. And did I mention that Ife is just 10 years old? You can do it, boys and girls. Put your dream out there, put love into the universe, and good things will come back to you. Have a wonderful day, everyone.